So are you seeing a change in the perspective?
Yeah, for sure. I think for me, actually, the change would have been Gehraiyan, where I really did feel that difference. And all credit to Shakun because he really sat with me, he held my hand, he forced me to develop a process as an actor and, just understand and fall in love with the process of acting. I think when I started out, I just wanted to be an actor. I just wanted to see myself on the big screen. I wanted to sing and dance and be a part of those big films because that's all I knew. Growing up, that was my comfort and that was, the way I saw films. But I think doing Gehraiyan and just opening my mind up a lot more to cinema in general, it changed my perspective. And Vikram sir took me in control after watching Gehraiyan. So that's why I think Gehraiyan would be that turning point for me. And yeah, I'm really grateful for all the love I've been getting. Everyone keeps saying that, oh, did you wish it came sooner? No, I'm really happy with the timing of everything because it's everything that I am today is because of my past work and everything I've done and all the feedback I've gotten and so it's all happened at a very natural course.
Are you also noticing that there is this history that is repeating itself? Because your father, Chunky Sir, has been a household name from the 80s and 90s because उनके maximum film में हम television पर देखते थे. OTT is the new TV for us. Are you seeing that change? Are you seeing that, oh, now I'm going to lead this?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm leading it in any way. It's just the way things have happened. Going into Control, we didn't know where it was going to come out. We weren't going into it being like, "Arey, ye OTT picture hai." It could have gone to festivals, it could have come to the theater. We were open to anything, and now it's landed on the best possible platform for this film, which is Netflix. So we're very happy with that. But it's just the way things have kind of lined up that it's happened like this. But I'm also waiting to be seen on the big screen again.
Are there scripts that you're saying no to, and what are they kinds? Like, what is this? What are scripts that now you're sure that you definitely don't want to do?
I think now I've kind of tasted blood in a sense. I see more for myself and I want to challenge myself more. I don't want to just be reduced to anything that's, kind of just objectified or something small or, that doesn't have impact. And I don't mean in terms of screen time. I mean actually just adding something to a story. So I see more for myself as an actor because I'm eager to learn and grow and constantly evolve and change. And I'm saying no to a few things because, again, now I'm more certain of the things I don't want to do. Yeah.
I'd like to ask you this question, Vikram. What made you, you said that Gehraiyan was when you decided to, approach Ananya. But वो ऐसी कौन सी बात थी that you thought that, she was just ideal for the role? And the second part of the question is that, were there perspectives that people had told you about her that changed when you met her?
Not at all. I saw her in Gehraiyan. In fact, it was a screening at like a preview kind of thing. I got, rare chance to actually see the film on screen. And I was really impressed. I was very, very impressed because I hadn't seen any of her work before that, actually. It was the first.
It's fine. You don't have to.
You're not supposed to say these things.
It's okay.
It's Vikram, so what else do you expect? He's the most honest person I know.
So, and I was really impressed. I was very impressed because it's a difficult role in a difficult film. It's not the easiest thing to pull off. You can very easily go one note, or you could be, kind of deer in the headlights. And I think that Ananya was very present, very there, very layered, very nuanced, and I really liked that. I thought that was something very impressive. And then when Control is ready, the idea that you needed to cast somebody who's young, who's social media savvy, at least from the sense of what the script is, it required somebody who's upfront on social media, who has fans, who is somebody who's young and bubbly and all those things. So I think Ananya fit that part. Also somebody who's potentially gets trolled, she also fits that part. So.